Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blau Parts. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating how you can change the interior cabin filter on a third generation Toyota Tacoma, which is going to apply to all 2016 to 2023 models. Also, if you're interested in learning about the benefits of why changing your cabin filter is important and the recommended service intervals for this filter, we'll leave some links in the description below. So let's get started.
Begin by accessing the glove box located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Locate and remove the access cover at the rear of the glove box. Slide the cover upward, releasing the two tabs on the top corners and across the bottom. Next, remove the cabin air filter cover by pressing and releasing the two locking tabs located on each side. Once both locking tabs are released, pull the cover in an outward direction. Remove the old interior cabin filter. Also inspect the cabin filter housing area for any debris and remove as needed. Begin installing the new cabin filter. Confirm that the airflow direction of the new filter is pointing down during installation. Slide the new interior cabin filter into the filter housing as originally oriented. Reinstall the cabin filter housing cover. Align the cover while firmly pressing the cover against the housing until you hear and feel the two side tabs click or lock in place. Next, reinstall the access cover at the rear of the glove box. Align the bottom row and top corner tabs while sliding it down into the locked or closed position. Last, place any contents back inside and close the glove box.
So that is a quick overview on how to change the cabin filter on a 2016 to 2023 third generation Toyota Tacoma. If you're interested in any of our other Toyota Tacoma DIY fluid change and maintenance videos, our Blau oil change kits, or any other high-performance fluids or filters for your Toyota Tacoma or any of your other vehicles, you can visit our website at blauparts.com or click the link below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.